We are trying to find the value of x squared minus y squared. And I've written clue 1 here, so let's solve this equation for t. So that's going to be t squared equals 9. And then you take the square root of both sides. And when you take the square root of both sides, you always have a plus or minus. So t equals plus or minus 3. Well, you might think you might get a couple of different values, but because x is squared and y is squared, it doesn't matter if x is positive or negative. It doesn't matter if y is positive or negative. When you square it, you're always going to get a positive number. So when you let t equal 3, you're going to get 6 for x, and you're going to get 1 for y. If you let t be negative 3, let me write that down just to make sure, as I know right now it works, so I wouldn't normally show this work, but if I let t be 3, I get x equal 2 times 3 is 6, and I get y equals 3 over 3, which is 1. So when you plug in x and y, 6 and 1, you get 36 minus 1, which is going to be 35. Now, if you let t be negative 3, you get x equal negative 6, and you get y equal negative 1. But once again, when you plug that negative 6 in, you're going to get positive 36 minus a positive 1. So each time your answer is 35. So clue 1 works. And if you look at clue 2, it's t cubed equals negative 27. Take the cube root of both sides. The cube root. And you can take the cube root of a negative number, and that gives you t equals a negative 3. Plug it in, and you can get a value for x squared minus y squared. So both of them work, both clue 1 and clue 2 work independently, so your answer would be D.